How to add a headline with background image to Wix. So I have in here this headline. So as you can see, if you open Inspector right here, we can see in here the designs option for this. You only have the size as well as the actual style, font size, colors, formatting, and the likes. We do not have in here the option to add a background image. So instead, what we can do is we can add an image right here and then just layer them. Click onto this plus icon, head over to your quick add, and here just drag and drop image into this part of the actual text in order to serve as its background. So once it's dropped, just head over and then resize it in order to cover almost all of the part of this. Don't worry because even though it's kind of big right now, you can still adjust it right there. Just click on this right here and then we can resize it just like that. So this is what it looks like now. So as you can see, the actual headline is behind it. So what we can do is we can just adjust layers. Click onto the three dots right here. And then in here we have the arrange. Then let's move it backward. As you can see, we have now in here this headline, and on that headline we have a background. So that's how you add a headline with background image. Hope we helped.